How to log in to Milestone Credit Card. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Open up a browser and search for Milestone Credit Card. Scroll down and tap on Milestone Card. Apply quickly and easily. It will redirect you to the official webpage of Milestone. At the top, you will see My Account. You can go ahead and select My Account and enter the credential. That includes your user ID and password. If you are new to it, just select on Apply Now bubble that is given to you. Select Apply Now. Now this is if you are new to it. To create a brand new Milestone credit card, you have to enter this following field. That is, enter your name, address, email, phone number, DOB, your social security number, and your total monthly income and expense. You should also read out the following rules and terms of your Milestone MasterCard. You can download it and read it later. Select Accept and you'll be able to apply for your Milestone credit card. If you already have one, the first step of entering your credential will do. And that's it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.